Think your diet is safe? Think again. Here are 5 everyday foods silently damaging your body. 1. Processed meat. Bacon. Sausages. Hot dogs. Deli slices. They are convenient, tasty, and full of nitrates and nitrites, chemicals linked to cancer. Most are also packed with sodium and preservatives that damage your heart and kidneys. Frequent consumption raises your risk of colon cancer and high blood pressure. It's not the meat, it's what's been done to it. 2. Soda and sugary drinks ***. A single can of soda can contain up to 10 teaspoons of sugar. But the real poison: high fructose corn syrup, an artificial sweetener linked to liver disease, obesity, and insulin resistance. Soda also contains phosphoric acid, which weakens bones and teeth over time. Every sip floods your body with chemicals, zero nutrition, maximum harm. 3. Margarine and hydrogenated oils ***. Once sold as a healthy alternative to butter, margarine is often made from hydrogenated oils, a major source of trans fats. Trans fats increase bad cholesterol, LDL, lower good cholesterol, HDL, and inflame your arteries. This is a fast track to heart disease and stroke. Your body can't break them down, and they build up fast. 4. Artificial sweeteners ***. Aspartame. Sucralose. Saccharin. Marketed as sugar-free, healthier options, but studies show links to brain fog, mood disorders, and even metabolic confusion that can worsen insulin sensitivity. Some sweeteners disrupt gut bacteria and may increase sugar cravings, not reduce them. You may be avoiding sugar, but you're trading it for something worse. 5. Packaged snacks. These are full of refined carbs, preservatives, artificial colors, and flavor enhancers like MSG. They spike your blood sugar, offer no real nutrition, and leave you hungrier in the long run. Many also contain acrylamides, a potential carcinogen formed during high-heat cooking. They are engineered to be addictive, and they are slowly harming your body. Check your pantry. These foods might already be hurting you. Your health isn't lost in one meal, but it can be in a lifetime of this. Like *** this video if you learned something new. Subscribe *** for more honest health content. Brain protect your body, start with what's on your plate.